Hi, welcome to my channel. Day 10 of 3 words and expressions of 100 day. As always, quick review first. 北京，北京，北京。上海，上海，上海。广州，广州，广州。稍后，稍后，稍后 later。刚才，刚才，刚才 just now。现在，现在，现在 now。Today we are going to learn 傻瓜 stupid， 讨厌 hate or disgusting， 闭嘴Shut up. Now the first one, 傻瓜。诗啊傻，歌乌啊瓜，傻瓜 means stupid. 傻瓜，傻瓜 stupid。 people 人字旁。傻瓜傻瓜 stupid. Are you stupid or something? 你是不是傻？傻瓜 stupid. The second one, 讨厌 t ao 讨一厌讨厌。讨厌 means hate. I hate you. 我讨厌你。讨厌。讨厌。言字旁，讨。寸 inch。厌，长字头。犬 this is 大。Add a dot here means 犬。Together 厌，讨厌 hate。讨厌。The third one for today. 闭嘴 shut up。 闭嘴 b i b z v 嘴闭嘴 means shut up. Shut up 闭嘴。闭嘴 shut up。 闭 a door 门字框。才刚才 just now 刚才。嘴口字旁 mouth。此的脚。闭嘴 shut up。 哦 瓜，傻瓜，傻瓜 ，stupid， 讨厌，讨厌，讨厌 ，hate， 闭嘴，闭嘴，闭嘴 ，shut up， shut up。Okay, that's all for today. Let me know what do you want to add in your DIY Chinese dictionary in a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye bye.